Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel RP IELTS. This channel helps IELTS aspirant to get their desired band score. So I'll introduce myself firstly. My name is Rupinder Kaur. I've done masters in physics from Thapa University Patiala, and then I did IELTS general as well as academic, and I scored overall 8 band score in IELTS. So let's get started with this video. This video is about cracking IELTS without going to coaching centers. You can prepare sitting at your home. So, nowadays there is lockdown in many countries and you are not able to go to coaching center. So, you can sit at your home comfortably and prepare for your IELTS. And moreover, there are many students who cannot afford the fees of coaching centers. Nowadays, coaching centers charge huge amount of fees. The area from where I belong, the coaching centers in this area charge 15,000 per month, so, which is really a huge amount for a average class person. So you can save a lot of money. So let's get started with this video. Okay, so you can save huge amount of money if you do not go to a coaching center and if you prepare at your home. In addition to it, you can save your precious time. So the time which you waste in commuting to the coaching centers, like the students who are from rural areas, the coaching centers are not available in those areas, so they have to commute to the urban areas to get their coaching, right? So that time is saved. Other thing is you can save the hassle, right? The hard work which you have to do in commuting and everything. So, but there are some conditions which must be met before you start studying at home. You need appropriate learning environment at your home. There should be no commotion at your home, and you need peace at your home so that you may concentrate for approximately 4 to 5 hours, right? Another thing is adequate level of grammar. You can only do IELTS at your home if you have adequate level of grammar. That means there should not be much grammar mistakes in your English. If you have problems in your grammar, then firstly you should take grammar classes either online or offline. Then you should start preparing for your IELTS, right? Then the next thing is basic understanding of English language. If you read something, then you should know what is being said by the writer and you should understand what is written, right? So basic understanding is must, otherwise you will need a teacher to make you understand everything. So basically your grammar should be uh, of adequate level that you do not encounter any kind of difficulties. Then you need to have these specific requirements. You need to have phone or laptop or computer with good internet access at your home. You need to download or buy IELTS official books, right? So you need to have the facility of a printer near your home or at your home. You need to have headphones, right? These are the things which you must have at your home if you want to prepare for IELTS. So in this video, basically, I will be comparing the IELTS institutes, what is being done at institutes, because I have also taught in a very prestigious institute of my hometown. So I know about the things which are done at the institutes. So I will compare that with your preparation at home, right? So how you can prepare better than that at your home. There are 4 modules in IELTS if we are doing it for the first time. So this is for those persons who are beginners in the IELTS. So there are 4 modules: listening, reading, speaking, and writing. Firstly, let's start with listening. In listening, you will be given a question paper that is shown on the right hand side of this slide, and you will be given 30 minutes to listen and answer these 40 questions, and at the end you will be given 10 minutes to transfer those answers to the answer sheet, which will look like this, the sheet on the left hand side, right? So what happens is, if you go to a coaching center, then what they will do is they will give you tips for listening on your first day. Then they will introduce you to the type of questions and the listening, and then they will do the first listening along with you, right? For every question they will listen along with you and tell you, and after that you will be doing listening by yourself. At the end, your teacher in the institute will clear your doubts if there are any. After 10 to 20 days of your coaching, you will do your listening by yourself, and your doubts will not be cleared at the institute. They will not ask for your doubts, right? And they will give you the tape scripts that is shown on the right hand side of the screen. And these are the tape scripts in which the translation of what is being said in the listening is done. So you will have to listen again and clear your doubts by yourself by watching these tape scripts, right? So how you can do at your home is, you can firstly identify all the types of questions. Like, firstly you will download the booklet, you will get it photo stated, and then you will take the first test of the listening and identify all the types of questions, right? Then you can search for tips and tactics for each type on YouTube. There are many experienced teachers on the YouTube who gives very good tips for listening. I'll give their names at the end of this video, and you can try those tricks. Then you can build your own tricks also by practicing, because I always believe that every person's cognitive level, mental level is uh, different and unique. So you will have to build your own tips and tricks for listening. And the only thing is, you should keep practicing, because you will improve your listening by only practicing, right? You can also photostate the tape scripts attached at the end of every book which you download, and you can do your listening with the help of those tape scripts, right? So now let's move on to the reading. In reading, you will be given a question paper that is shown on the right hand side. In that question paper, firstly there will be a passage, then there will be 10 to 11 questions, and there are total 3 passages, and there are total 40 questions in the reading. 60 minutes time will include the time to transfer your answers to the answer sheet. You will have to transfer your answers in the time which is given to you. So this is the answer sheet where you will be transferring your answers. So what happens at institutes is, firstly they will introduce you to the types of questions which are there in your reading. Then they will give you tips and tricks to solve each kind of questions. After this will happen in 5 to 6 days when you join an institute. After 5 to 6 days, you will be given full reading to do in 60 minutes, and at the end, they will provide you with the answers. You will have to check it by yourself. You will count your score, and then there will be doubts section where they will clear your doubts. And that is it, right? So, how you can prepare at your home is, firstly, you will identify all the types of questions, right? You will photostate your reading, then you will see what kind of questions are there, and then you can watch YouTube videos for tips and tactics for each kind of question, right? Then you can try those tricks, plus you can increase your reading and understanding speed, because I believe that if you only have knowledge about the tricks and you do not have good grammar, or you do not have good understanding what is written in the reading, then you cannot succeed, because both of the things are needed. Tips are and tricks are needed to locate the answer, right? Your uh, understanding of English language and your reading speed will help you to get your desired band score. So both of the things are needed. So if you have a very slow reading speed, firstly you will have to enhance your reading speed by reading the books, right? Or by reading anything written in the English, right? then you will succeed in your reading. So both of the things go hand in hand. Then you can build your own tricks by practicing. As I said in the listening, every person is different, they have their unique cognitive skills, right? So you can develop your own reading tricks. So if you have doubts in your reading question, you can clear it online. You can type the name of the book and you can search for the explanation of the question number, right? After clearing doubt, analyze where you are lagging behind, right? Which are the types of question in which you are finding difficulty, and you can clear your doubts, and you can search for tips and tricks for that specific kind of question online, right? So analyzing is really important in your reading. You have to analyze your mistakes and the areas where you are lagging behind, and then you can rectify your problems and change your mindset. I always say that it is only the mindset of the students which is needed to be changed to improve the score, right? I always say that do not do every reading in the same way, because it is just wastage of time and it is futile. Always, before doing any new reading, change your tips, change your tricks. Always remember the mistakes which you did last time, and uh, you don't do those kind of mistakes again in your new reading, right? And the last thing which I would say is keep practicing. Practice will help you to increase your band score. Now let's move on to speaking. Speaking session, or I can say the interview, is for 11 to 14 minutes. It contains three parts. First, they will ask you introductory questions. Then they will give you a cue card, which is basically a question with four hints, and you will get 1 minute to prepare for it and 2 minutes to speak, and then they will ask you follow-up questions which will be related to your cue card. So at the institutes, what they do is firstly they will introduce you to the type of questions, like they will tell you what are the introductory questions, they will tell you what is the cue card and what are the tips and tricks to prepare for it. Then they will tell you follow up, what are the follow up kind of questions and how you can answer them, how long they should be, right? They will give you all the tips and tricks, and then this happens in first 4 to 5 days, and after that they will start taking your interview. At the end of the interview they will give you feedback, tell you tips to improve your speaking. So this is what happens at the institutes, right? Now the question is how you can prepare at your home. Firstly, you will watch some videos on the YouTube about the tips and tricks of the speaking. I will also upload some videos which will help you in learning about speaking, right? After that, you can use online speaking evaluation services. Like there are many people who provide speaking evaluation service. You will give an interview to them and they will give you the feedback. So I would say that please choose those speaking evaluation services which gives you detailed feedback and tell you the areas which you need to improve. When I say areas, that means there are some specific thing which the examiner wants from you, which are called the band descriptors. I have full video of band descriptors of speaking and writing. I will put the link to that video in my description, right? You can watch that videos and prepare for your IELTS. Now let's move on to writing. In writing, you will get 1 hour to write. There are two tasks in your writing. First is task one, which will be a report if you are giving an academic test, and it will be a letter if you are giving a general test, right? You will utilize your 20 minutes in this task, and in task two, there will be a essay for both kind of IELTS, and you will be given 40 minutes to write down your essay. So the writing sheets look like these, which are shown on the right hand side of the slide, right? So for writing, the same thing you will do. Firstly, you will watch the tips and tricks online for writing, And you should also understand the band descriptors for speaking. As I've already told that there are some band descriptors, and for writing as well there are some band descriptors, and I've made a video for it also. I'll give the link to that video in my description box. Then you can use online writing evaluation service for you will write an essay and send it to some tutor online, and they will give you detailed feedback and the areas which you need to improve. You will have to rectify the mistakes which you made in your writing, and then you can prepare for your writing module as well. Now it's time for some suggestions. I will suggest that you should only use the official material of IELTS. You can download Cambridge 1 to 15 books. So these are 15 books. In each book, there will be 4 tests, which will include all 4 modules, right? So you can do this 15 books. And there are Makar IELTS latest speaking booklets available online. You can download it or buy it from their website, right? So these contain 70 to 80 cue cards, and you will get your cue card on the test day from this booklet only. And there are some online tutors like IELTS Advantage. There is Simon, there is Liz, there is E2 IELTS. You can search from that for them on internet. And these are the tutors whom I followed and cleared my IELTS exam with flying colors. And of course, there is me. You can utilize my service, and the difference is that my service is really affordable and it is quite effective in increasing your writing and speaking band score. You will realize that after you use my service. For using my service, you can email me at rpiles@gmail.com, and you can ask for the charges and how you can avail this service. So, this is it for today. All the best to all the IELTS aspirants and all the people who are going to start their IELTS preparation at their homes. Goodbye.